Do you love mommy? Do you love daddy? Do you love Kaya? Do you love Zoe? Do you love Zoe? Do you love Grandma? Do you love Grandpa? Did I ask you if you love Daddy? I did ask you, or yes, you love Daddy? Do you love Caitlin? Do you love Michaela? Do you love Marissa? Do you love Mommy? Did you know Mommy loves you? Good. Oh. Do you love your doggies? Do you love your fish? Hey, what does an owl say? What? What does an owl say? Madeline, what does an owl say? Ooh. What does a cow say? That's right. Oh, hello, Zoe. What does a tiger say? I'll let you finish chewing first. What does a tiger say? Roar! All right, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.